Friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban, and this is a special video definitely because I made a huge loss. I lost all my money in couple of trading session, and I'm going to explain you why I lost all my money in couple of trading session. And definitely this is a good lesson for me, and also you can learn from my mistake. And if you are a beginner to my channel, please make sure you are subscribed and like my video so that I will be motivated a lot. Okay, and definitely this will help you. Please watch the video till the end, and let me tell you what is my trade and why I lost, and there is couple of huge mistake which I don't want to do in my in future. Okay, let me explain the trade first. The stock name is Deepak Nitrate. Everyone knows that Deepak Nitrate is trending like anything, right? So what I did, I just found a 1 hour pattern in Deepak Nitrate. I just draw the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern initially I drew. All right, so where I entered, so after seeing this, could see one, two, three, four rejection at the bottom, one, two, three, okay, and four time rejected at the top level. So what I did, I did not enter over here. I entered after this candle, not after this candle, by seeing the 15 minutes candle. Okay, looking at this candle, I entered over here. Okay, and what happened suddenly, it just touched the trend line and moved, and again it just fall like anything on same day, that is on 19th October 19th October. Okay, so what I expected, like after touching this support level, I did not close my trade. I entered in future trade, one lot, and I did not close. After touching this support level, stock just bounced back. Okay, and look at this next candle also bounced back from the support level. So what I anticipated, like the stock may consolidate within this pattern, or it will move like this. So this is what my expectation, and because the previous time the same has been happened in this stock. Let me show you the pattern, the previous pattern. So look at this trending stock. Okay, it's just trended like anything. Look at this movement. It's huge momentum, right? So the same momentum I was expected, but that was not happened. But anyway, previous time what happened? Look this. Okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, and just look at this. Okay, after broken this trend line, it just fly like anything. So I was expected the same over here, but that was not happen. Okay, let's fine. And the mistake is I'm always in front of my system whenever I'm trading, because my routine trading life cycle is like I wake up and I refresh myself and I will sit in front of my system at 9 or 9:15, and I just get out of system at 3:30 or 3:45. That is my routine life cycle in trading. But on 19th or 20th, yes, 20th, I got an emergency situation, so I have to move out of system, and so I just went out, and so within 1 or 2 hours, okay, because I did not anticipated it will break down, right? So I did not I did not put any stop loss at all, because I got an emergency situation. I just went out. Okay. So within 1 hour, it just fallen like anything, and next hour it just fallen like anything. It's continuously falling, right? So after seeing, I just seen the stock after this. I hope after this. So at the point of time, I lost huge money. So the loss is very huge. I never expected this one, because 4 lakh rupees in futures for 1 lot, which means the stock will each 1 rupee, I think it's 500 rupees loss. So each 1 point, you will lose 500 rupees. So I lost nearly 2,64,000 rupees in this particular stock within couple of days. Okay, yesterday I closed it, but I made 2,64,000 rupees. And if you watched my previous videos, I earned nearly 2.5 lakhs money for this month, but unfortunately I lost everything in Deepak and I trade within couple of trading sessions. So this is what happen in stock market, guys, whenever you are not following the proper risk management. So the first mistake is, if I am not available in front of my system, definitely I should place stop loss over here, because if I'm available in front of my system, definitely after broke down, definitely I will close with 60 to 70k loss. But that is a number one mistake. Whenever you are busy, don't trade. Okay, mistake number two, always follow strict stop loss. That is the key thing you have to do whenever you are not in front of the system. So I did not follow the both things because the stock trended, so I expected the same, and market given the wrong thing to me, but that's okay. So as of now, I am in loss, nearly, I'm not sure, I think 28k loss in overall for this month, because I made 2,37,000 profit in the month as of now, but so in a single trade I lost is 2,64,000. So if you calculate that, on nearly 28,000 negative in this month, that's okay, because whenever you do business, definitely sometimes you will earn money, sometimes you lose money. That's part of business. But anyway, you have to do whatever you are doing, right? So I have to continue with the trading from Monday. I just take a small break on yesterday and today. I'm not done any trading. Also, the Nifty is not doing good because it's continuously going down. Last four trading session, there is a negative candle. So it's in key support level. Let's see what will happen on next one or two sessions, whether it's bounce back or it's gonna break this trend line. Okay, so based upon that, I'm gonna trade, and I'm just going to watch the market for another one or two trading session. But so I hope you learned something from this video, because definitely you learn from my mistakes, instead of either way, whether you learn from my mistake or just do mistake and lose your money. So that's what I could say. And thanks for watching this video, and I will come up with another good video. So whenever I'm making money, or whenever there is a lesson for me, definitely I will come up with new videos. If you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.